Hello everyone, welcome to the Zoneceo channel. Today I will show you how to create a Binance account in the updated latest version and how you can start trading cryptocurrencies on the platform. Before we begin, we have actually made a Binance tutorial before, so you can also check out the older video. However, since Binance has updated a few things we are making, I should also mention that Binance has a separate exchange designed for users in Turkey called Binance TR. We'll first create a Binance Global account, then create a separate Binance TR account. After that, you can link the two accounts together. I will explain the entire process step by step. In this video, we will focus on creating a Binance Global account. In the next video on the channel, we will create a Binance TR account. You will be able to use Binance Global and Binance TR together. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like if you like to see more video like this. Let's get started. Using the link I have provided below, you will arrive the Binance registration page. Here Binance asks whatever you'd like to register using your email address or phone number. I personally recommend you using your email address. Enter your email and click next. The next page will ask you to verify your email address. Binance will send you verification code. Enter that code and click next again. After verifying your mail, Binance will ask you to create a password. To make sure you choose a strong password with at least one number, uppercase and lowercase letters, and any other required characters. Once you have created your password, click next. At this point, your password has been successfully created. You may then see another page asking whatever you'd like. Use a referral code. You can either choose yes and use the code shown below, or simply select no if you prefer. I will choose yes because using my referral link and codes gives you trading fee discount. For example, if you will normally pay a certain trading fee, you will pay less thanks and referral discount, making your trades more cost effective. Next, Binance will ask you to enter your legal information. Make sure every detail matches to your official identification documents. Fill in your full legal name, your identifications information, and any other required details exactly as they appear on your ID. Once everything is completed, click continue until you reach the identity verification section. This verification process exists to protect your account. Many users keep large amounts of cryptocurrency on Binance, sometimes worth thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars. Identity verification helps ensure that only you have access to your account and provides an additional layer of security.
If you deposit in the top right corner, you'll have the option to deposit either fiat currency where available or cryptocurrencies. For example, if you want to deposit crypto, simply choose the cryptocurrency you'd like to transfer, copy the deposit address, and send your funds. Likewise, by selecting withdraw, you can send your cryptocurrencies to another wallet whenever you want. That's all for this video. We've covered how to create a Binance account from start to finish. After completing your identity verification, you'll have access to all Binance features. Since I already have a verified account, I won't complete the verification process again in this tutorial. However, you can simply click verify and continue through the remaining steps. Once you've verified your phone number and identity, you'll be ready to use Binance securely. In the next video, I'll show you how to create a Binance TR account. After that, we'll connect your Binance Global and Binance TR accounts so you can use both platforms together without any confusion. One final reminder before we finish. When creating your Binance TR account, make sure you use the same email address that you used for your Binance Global account. Although these are two separate accounts, using the same email allows you to link them together easily. I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for the Binance TR tutorial, where we'll complete the setup and get everything ready so you can start trading cryptocurrencies safely and confidently. See you in the next video.